Here, come here, son. I'll hold you again. And I'll put you down there. Come here. Come here. Oh. Are you scared? Come here. I'll hold you. No?
Go to Daddy so he can hold you.
No, mommy.
Oh, Mommy holds you.
Oh,
Daddy got
are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2. Oh.
Oh, are you scared, honey?
Go in there to
Is
mommy
Daddy
now.
too?
He's coming in there to you.
Is this a safer place to watch the vacuum? Simon, are you gonna help it? Oh, here it goes. It's gonna make it. Is it gonna make it off? It's on the loose.
Hey! Oh
It's okay. It'll figure it out. It'll figure it out. Let it problem solve.
no!
Do you want to put it back on the rug? Okay. Go ahead. Pause it. Pick it up. There you go. You got it. Carry it carefully. All right. Good. Okay. You know what, buddy? I think it might be out of battery. Oh, nope. You got it.
Uh-oh.
Wait a minute. It needs a helper.
Oh no! I did.
You did it. Thank you.
Mommy, wow.
Oh, you want it to be over here so it gets the rice over here? Come here. Let's move the chair so it'll go around. Why don't you... It'll come over here. Watch. Here, pick it up, buddy. Pick it up and move it over near the rice. Here, like this. There you go. It'll get it. It'll get it. Let it figure it out. Let it figure it out. There it goes. There it goes. It's gonna get it. Watch out. Oi. Let it look. It got the rice. It got the rice. He's like so lazy at me because I could totally just like get that. I don't even know why I'm videotaping.